smeš da budeš ovde. Ovo je zona zapadnih portala. Postoje pravila koja se ponekad ponavljaju na čudan način.
Ej, kuda idu ovi ljudi? Ko su ovi ljudi?
Dobro, polako, što vičete, bre? Polako, ljudi. Sve okej, sve u redu.
What's up here?
Please, come on, join us. Ljudi samo prolaze, sve u redu. Take a sit, please. Join us. Dragan. What's your name?
Muhammad.
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 Nice to meet you. Fatima, a pleasure to meet you. We're making a film. Where are you from?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan?
Yes.
And when did you arrive here?
1 year. I come to Iran to Turkey, Bulgaria, and Serbia.
Oh, God. And how long you've been on the road?
2 years.
2 years.
Yes.
And 1 year you're here in Serbia.
Yes.
And 1 year you've been on the road to Serbia.
Yes.
Oh my God, yeah.
Thanks.
Hvala. How old are you?
I'm 14.
14.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
Jesus Christ, I have a daughter, 14. Šta bi želeo da radiš kad porastiš? Never mind, I'll ask
Like
you
you,
something else.
one actor.
You want to be an actor?
Yes.
Do you know how to say actor in Serbian?
No.
Glumac.
Glumac.
Glumac, that's the word. Želim da budem glumac. I want to be an actor.
Želim da budem glumac.
Tako je. Give me 5. That's cool. What about your family in Afghanistan? Do you hear from them?
Yes, sometimes I come.
Talk on the phone with them?
Yes, yes.
How they're coping with the situation in Afghanistan?
Every day, bad and bad and bad
Oh, gosh.
in Afghanistan.
You're saying that each day the situation in Afghanistan is worse?
Yes.
Oh.
Every day, too much people dead.
Yeah. Are you allowed to work in Serbia?
No, not fine.
Not yeah. It's always regulations, always
Yes.
papers and
Ooh.
all that kind of stuff. Yeah. I
You
can
must have
imagine.
document and
Yeah.
language is important.
Yeah. But it's great to hear that you want to stay in Serbia. It's really great to hear.
People in Serbia is very good people. It's very, very good people.
Yeah, it's very nice of you to say something like that. Because the situation here is not so great.
I know, but when people is good, everything for you is good.
Everything is good.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's nice to hear.
Here you go. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Doctor.
A doctor? Really?
When I'm from Iran, when my teacher say what you want, I say doctor.
And how old are you?
8. I like that you grow up, go Germany like you, and cinema like this.
Oh,
Sve u redu. Samo ljudi prolaze. Nema razloga da vičemo na njih.
Ok, što prolaze, ali ajde nešto da uradimo.
Aha, hoćeš to pa da se vratimo?
Pa da.
Dobro.
No, we have to... Dobro. Znači, namesti ih sada kako god hoćeš.
Do you like films? Movies?
Yes.
You want to be a star in a movie, yeah?
Zvuk! Kamera! Klapa! Pazite!
Akcija!
Tako je! Bravo! Kupljeno.